Ribhoi College mendakas ngi ka khatsau tarik nailar arajar arphaulai kala penlong ka lempung banrakhe ka pre-independence day hapo ka phlau jong ka ka college ha ka lempung lawan chimbenta de kinong hikai bat ki samla pule ka college ha ka program la penlong ka jingkan teu ka lama lairong ka ri India da ikong M Kharshiying ka jingroi ka national anthem bat ka march past kumjuru ki jingshat bat ki jingroi kerpang da ki samla pule ka college layo ru eka mat phang khandiat halor ka independence day da ubabu BW walang
to compassionate and environmentally conscious. On this pre-independence day celebration, let us honor the sacrifices of our past leader by being responsible citizens. Let us pledge to build an India that will live up to its potential, an India that upholds the values of justice, equality and freedom for all. May the tricolor continue to wave high, not just a symbol for our independence, but as a reminder of the power of unity, diversity and the indomitable spirit of India. Imslam Rikasi, Rijantia, long live India, Jai Hind, Kublai Shibun.